Well, that's our visit for today, Glencar Waterfall. So we'll get a look round, let you have a look at the sights of the waterfall, and then we'll have a little fly up the log. Unfortunately, you can't get to the waterfall with a drone, but we'll have a little fly up and down the log at the bottom. So without further ado, let's have a look at the scenery. Well, that was it, Glencar Waterfall. That's a very pretty place. So there you go. That's all part of a day out. I'm now heading for Ross's Point. That's a rather pretty place as well. Just outside Sligo, and I'll get a drone fly around there. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll say the next one's not be long behind.